There is a reason why they refer nature as the master healer. Did you know that there are sounds in nature that are able to heal your physical body? When it comes to your physical body usually responds positively to natural things. When it comes to these sounds, these are not just sounds, these are healing frequencies. Now, when it comes to healing frequencies, we have 4 types of healing frequency depending with their range. We have low healing frequencies, mid-range healing frequencies, high-pitch healing frequencies, and infrasounds. Low healing frequencies, these are frequencies that are below the range of 100 Hz. These frequencies, they usually resonate with the bones, muscles, and deep relaxation. Mid-range healing frequencies, these are frequencies between the range of 200 and 800 Hz. These ones usually resonate with emotional support and stress reduction. High healing frequencies, these are frequencies between the range of 2 to 8 kHz or 2000 to 8000 Hz. These ones usually stimulate mental clarity, intuition, and even mood elevation. When it comes to the infrasounds in nature sounds, these are the ones that are exactly 7.83 Hz. These ones usually aligns the human brain waves with the earth's natural rhythm, bringing what we call grounding and even harmony within the body. Having understood that, now in this video, I'm going to give you a list of 20 sounds in nature that are able to heal your physical body. Some of them you have ever heard them. Some of them you usually hear them daily, but you don't know their meaning. And if this is your first time coming across this page, turn on notifications so as every time you upload a new video, you will be the first one to get notified. The first sound is the sound of ocean waves. This one usually range between 0.1 to 10 Hz. That rhythmic crashing of waves usually produces a low frequency vibration that usually mimic the brain delta's wave. Now, this one usually encourages deep relaxation, lowers cortisol, and resets your nervous system. In short, this one usually brings what we call better sleep quality and even reduces your stress. Number 2 is the rainfall sound. This one usually range between 100 to 600 Hz. That continuous patter of raindrops usually create a mid-range frequency vibration that usually soothes the mind. When it comes to your physical body, according to science, we have what we call the limbic system. Now the raindrops, that sound of the rainfall, usually calms the limbic system, promoting what we call restorative sleeps. It also reduces anxiety and calms the mind. Number 3 is the sound of wind in trees. This one usually range between 200 to 800 Hz. That whistling wind sound between leaves usually produces fluctuating tones that usually balances the mental energy. Now, this sound helps to reduce mental fatigue, improve focus, and promote what we call mental clarity. Number 4 is the bird songs. This one usually range between 2 to 8 kHz. Birds usually sing in high-pitched frequencies. When it comes to your brain, the moment you hear the bird song, your brain usually releases what we call serotonin. The melodies of these birds usually uplift the mood, ease depression, and connect you with joy and vitality. Number 5 is the cricket and the grasshopper sound. This one usually range between 3 to 5 kHz. It is a high-pitch frequency. That repetition when it comes to chirping usually create what we call trance-like states. These frequencies usually quiet the mind, support meditation, and if you have insomnia, it usually helps that insomnia drift into sleep. Number 6 is the sound of frog croaking. This one usually range between 200 to 400 Hz. This one usually resonate with grounding frequencies. The sound of this frog croaking, especially the bullfrog, usually reduces fear, stabilize your emotion, and connect you with the nature frequencies. Number 7 is the wolf howl. This one usually range between 150 to 700 Hz. A wolfhowl usually carry layered harmonics that usually stir deep emotions within you. This sound encourages emotional release and awakens inner courage. Number 8 is the whale song. This one usually range between 15 to 30 hertz combined with harmonics. Whales usually produces infrasonic calls that usually penetrate deep into tissues. This whale vibration usually vibrate at a cellular level, helping you to release trauma and bringing what we call emotional healing. Number 9 is the dolphin clicks. Dolphins usually produces a high pitch frequency sound that usually range between 40 to 150 kilohertz. Dolphins usually use ultrasonic clicks that usually stimulate your brain activity. These sounds are linked to neuroregeneration and even heightened awareness. And did you know that it is illegal to talk and communicate with dolphins? 10 is the sound of thunder. That sound usually range between 20 to 120 hertz. That low vibrational sound usually clear stagnant energy and usually awakens or promotes vitality. 11 is the sound of waterfalls. That sound usually range between 20 to 2 kilohertz or between 20 to 2000 hertz. Now that sound, that raw sound of water falling can produce a variety or spectrum of frequencies. Now those spectrum of frequencies can release what we call negative ions. Now those negative ions can boost your mood, reduce depression, and refresh your body's energetic field. 12 is the sound of river flowing. That sound usually range between 300 to 700 hertz. Those gentle currents usually create a mid-range frequency that usually soothes the nervous system. They balance blood pressure, calms the heart, and promote relaxation of the overall body. 13 is the buzzing sound of the bees. This one usually range at around 250 hertz. That hum of bees usually resonate with the cellular repair frequencies. Those vibrations of the bees supports immune function, reduces inflammation, and harmonizes the body rhythm. 14 is the sound of a cat purring. That sound is very powerful. That sound usually range between 20 to 150 hertz. Even scientifically, it has been proven that the sound of a cat purring promotes bone healing, eases pain, reduces swelling, and accelerate tissue regeneration. 15 is the forest ambient sound. This one usually range between 200 to 1 kilohertz or 1000 hertz. When we are talking about forest ambient sound, we are talking about the sound of rustling leaves, distant movement, or even distant sounds within the forest. These ones usually create a healing soundscape. Now, this sound usually reduces cortisol and restore balance within the physical body. 16 is the fire crackling sound. This one usually range between 300 to 600 hertz. That crack of flames usually produces comforting mid-range tones. That sound reduces anxiety, promotes the feeling of safety, and encourages relaxation. 17 is the Schumann resonance. This is the Earth's electromagnetic frequency of 7.83 Hz. This frequency improves the circadian rhythm, grounds us energetically, and reduces stress. 18 is the rainforest cicadas. Now, rainforest cicada is a certain type of an insect that is found especially in deep rainforests like the Amazon forest. These ones usually produce a high-pitched sound. It is called a hum. That sound usually range between 4 to 8 kilohertz. Now that sound frequency usually induces trance-like states. That sound can help especially when it comes to meditation, inner focus, and even altered states of consciousness. If you are a spiritual person and you like to meditate, you like to do something like astral projection, that sound is very necessary. 19 is the sound of the owl hoot. This one usually range between 200 to 400 hertz. Owls usually produce deep resonance calls that usually calms the nervous system. Their call usually encourages your intuition, inner wisdom, and even awareness. The owl has been demonized by many cultures because many cultures usually see the owl as a messenger of death, but in reality, the owls usually bring the message of wisdom more than a warning of death. And lastly is the sound of human chanting, especially the Om sound. This one usually range at exactly 136.1 Hz. Chanting usually resonate with the earth's optical energy. There is a reason why in many communities they used to use chanting and even things like ululations. These sounds usually balances the energy centers and aligns the body with the cosmic rhythm, bringing what we call spiritual connection. And that is everything that you need to know when it comes to the healing sounds in nature. Healing nature sounds in nature are not random. These are the tools that your body usually uses for healing even without you knowing, even without your awareness. And that is why when it comes to spirituality, it is very necessary to connect with nature. If this video has taught you something that you didn't know, let me know on the comment section, because now you know. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment on this video as we continue with the awakening journey. Peace and love.